Okay, so we are on the Amazon Seller Central site, and here we are going to see countries accepted for seller registration. So as we can see here, Nigeria is now on that list. As about 2 years ago or so, Nigeria wasn't part of the list, but now as a Nigerian, you can sell on Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to be showing the steps on how you can register an account on Amazon as a Nigerian and start selling internationally. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so all you have to do is to go on Google, whatever browser you use, then type in Amazon Seller Central. Now, once you're there, we're going to click on this first link here. Now we log into the page, and here you can see here it clearly says become an Amazon seller. Now there are two types of accounts. There's the individual account and the professional account. So you can either go for the individual or the professional. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go about both steps. So all you have to do now is to click on sign up. Now once you're signed up, you're going to click on add your account, create new account. So basically we're just going to click here on create your Amazon account. Now it's going to require just this few information, so I'm going to put that in. I may require you to solve a puzzle, so we're just going to do that as well. Cylinder. Yes, so we've completed the cylinder. Just to verify you're not a robot. So now I'm just going to accept the OTP that was sent to our page on our Gmail. So now they're going to request you put in your number, so you can go ahead and put in your Nigerian number. Now that that's imputed in, they're going to ask you for these documents. You need to have your a valid ID or passport, your recent bank account statement, a chargeable credit card, and your mobile phone, of course. So now this will be needed for the verification processes. As can be seen here, it says here these are the steps which you'd follow. Provide your information and documents, verification of the documents sent, and then once that is verified, you can start selling. So let's go along and click on begin. So once you make sure you have all this, then you are good to go. You're good to begin. So now that we're here, it says here what's your business location. So you're going to select a country. Remember, you can just click on the button and then go. So we're just going to select Nigeria here. So what is your business type? You can click on none. I am an individual. Then you click in your name, your full name. So now I've done that, you just have to confirm your business location and type are correct, and say that this information cannot be changed later. So this is it. You click on agree and continue. Now most of you may be wondering, oh, why didn't you click on your business and all of that? Now if you're a beginner, most people may not have the documents that are required, so this just helps save you from that whole process. So you click on as an individual basically. So you're just basically going to fill up all this other information here. It says country of citizenship. You select your country, Nigeria. Your country of birth. You put that in. Then your date of birth. If you're using your national ID or your passport. Now please make sure if you're putting in your passport or any means of identification, make sure it hasn't expired. Make sure it is current and it's up to date and it hasn't expired, because they are going to check all this when verifying your documents. So select on passport, then select your country of issue, where was the passport or the identity document issued. You click on it. So you're going to put in your address, your postal code number. You put in your passport details, you put in your passport number, because you're going to check all of that. So basically you're going to fill up all this information here. Now once you've gone through that phase, you'll be required to put in your credit card number. So for the monthly subscription fee, so if you're using the professional, you'll be charged a professional selling subscription fee of 39.99 USD for the first month. So you will continue to be charged this fee. So I'm showing you how to create the professional account, and then later in the video, in this video and next video, I'm also going to show you how to switch from the professional to the individual account, so your account doesn't get charged this monthly fee. So basically, if you're going for a professional, you need to put in these details as well. Details, we can go ahead and move on to the next page. Now here you're going to give your store a name. So you can give your store a name. So by now I'm sure you already have something in mind that you want to name your store. I'm just going to name this Brandish. This can be changed. Okay, now of course, if the name is taken, Amazon will let you have that name, so you have to create a name that's not taken. So I'm just going to put this just for the purpose of this video. So of course you can put whatever name you wish to use for your store here. Now bear in mind that store name will also have to be registered, but that's a video for another day. So for now, select our store name that we have in mind. So this could be a registered store name as well. Now, do you have universal product codes for all your products? If you have this now, you can go ahead and click yes. But supposing that you're in this video, I'm guessing you probably do not have it yet, so you can go ahead to click no. Are you the manufacturer or brand owner or agent or representative of the brand for any of the products you want to sell on Amazon? Yes, you can go ahead and click yes, because of course you're a representative of the brand. Now, do you own any government registered trademark for the branded products you want to sell on Amazon? If you do not have that, you can go ahead and click no, you do not. If you have it, you can go ahead and click yes. Now we're going ahead to where it is. So we're going to just confirm all this information. Now once you've confirmed this information is correct, you are going to click this is the page where you then go ahead to upload your passport, upload your documents, or whatever information you have for the verification phase. So now you upload your passport. So these are their instructions basically. So take a look at this to make sure whatever you're uploading is in line with their rules and regulations. So now wherever it's saved that you upload it here. Account statement. Now mind you, please ensure that the account statement you are providing is an account statement that is within the last 3 to 4 months. You can go ahead and make it 6 months, but it should be a recent one. Don't go and upload account statement of last 2 years or so. It has to be as recent, between the last at least 3 to 6 months. Let's leave it at 3 to 6 months. So take note of that when creating and uploading your bank account statement. So I'm just going to do that as well here. Take note of the instructions as well. So basically, once you've uploaded all those documents and you've checked that all this information are in place, are correct as well, you can go ahead and click on next. Please ensure you upload the right documents. I'm just selecting documents here just to show you how to create the accounts basically. So ensure that they are all correct, because you will need that when doing the verification process. Now this is the verification process. On this verification process, they are going to require those documents that you uploaded. So here it says choose one of the available options to connect with an Amazon associate to complete your verification. Now scheduled video call. This is what is acceptable in Nigeria. The instant live video call is not acceptable, so you have to go here, click on it, and then schedule the time and date for your video call. So here they say carry your original government issued photo ID document and any other documents you uploaded during registration. Now when I was doing my verification process, all I came along with was my photo ID, the recent one. Make sure it's not expired, so I used my passport document for this process. However, if you have another means of identification, you can go ahead, and as long as it is not expired. They didn't I uploaded my bank statement. However, the bank statement, I didn't use it on the verification process, but please still upload your bank statement, because you may be requested to show it there. But when I was doing mine, I didn't have to make use of it, but I had it in hand just in case they asked for it. So now this is it. So all you have to do is click on next and select the time and date that works for you. So these are the available options. So here we can see there's October 6th and 7th. So you select from those days the ones that will best fit you. If you want to go for the October 6th, you click on it, and then the timing, then you confirm that the ID document and bank statement or credit card statement something are in English. So make sure that it's in English, of course. If you're from Nigeria, I believe it's in English. So whatever country you're in from, if English is not your first language, ensure that it's in English. And then here it says, I understand that if my documents are not in English or notarized English translations, I will not be able to complete the identity verification, and I'll have to schedule a new appointment for the video call interview. So ensure that it's in English. So once that is done, you click on next. So now you see here, the appointment time is set, the date and everything is set. Now there's one important thing you need to do so you do not miss out. Once you have seen this, do not just end it here, because it doesn't just end here. Scroll all the way down, acknowledge, and then click on next. Once you've acknowledged and click on next, that is when it's confirmed. You have to scroll all the way down and do that. I made that mistake during my own period. I just felt okay, it was confirmed, but you have to scroll all the way down and click on it basically to actually confirm it. Now this is it, showing that you have actually confirmed it, the confirmed time, the confirmed date, and then you have to have the original documents that you uploaded, as you can see here, because it will be asked for during the video call. Now you're going to be having your video call on this platform, on Amazon Seller Central, so there's no Zoom call or anything like that. So you're going to be having it there. So check your email for further information that may be required. They're going to send you an automated email, so you can check that as well. And in case that there's a bit of misinformation, they're not sure, or they need clarity, it says here, we have received your information and may reach out to you for further clarification within 2 business days. So if there's any area of concern, they'll reach out to you. But if not, then your video call is verified and you can go ahead and have it. So I'm wishing you all the best. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button and do subscribe, so it encourages me to make more video content like this. Thank you for sticking with me through to the end, and see you in my next Amazon videos.